Okay, let's go over these. Okay, so we went over this one, this one, this one, this one. We didn't do this one. Okay, so y'all, this is just another cladogram showing the lineage. Remember, here's the ancestor, then this is the ancestor, but then after the development of jaws, these are all the things with jaws, okay? Then this has jaws, but these all have lungs, okay? So all of the animals to the right of the hagfish, all of these, they don't all have lungs because this perch doesn't, but they all do have jaws. So the right answer for that one is jaws. Okay. Which discovery would challenge the validity of this cladogram? So this is hard to do because it's almost like a reverse, like this over here is 425 million years ago. What'd y'all pick?
D.
A fossil of a fern more than 4, good, because right now they're telling you ferns are over here, probably about 3 something. So if they found a fern over here, that would question the validity of the fern. Okay, everything else was true. Like for example, a large aquatic vascular plant about 200 million years. Yeah, 200 million years is all the way up here. If it developed over here, it would still be there. Okay. Okay. D. Okay, so the whole question talks about these organisms living in a very sulfur hostile environment. Okay. Which organisms most likely succeed the original community in this ecosystem? Which one did y'all pick?
A.
It had to be something very low on the trophic level, and all of these bigger things, they wouldn't be the first to succeed. It would be some kind of pioneer species such as a cold tolerant bacteria. Good. Okay, which are bacteria? No nucleus, 2 and 3, D. Arthropods, blah, blah, blah. Which of these arthropods are close likely related? It's that of the same genus. Remember, species doesn't mean anything. It has to be of the same genus. I know it says arthropods are the same species, but genus is the right answer. Okay. Having a standard taxonomic system. When something is standard, what do y'all think? What'd y'all put? C. C, D, okay. Why do we want to have a standard system?
I meant C, sorry.
C, okay. Have a common understanding of the classification system. Let's see. Having a standardized taxonomic system. Have a common system to classify locations. Nope, it's not about locations. Use a similar way to classify the impact of removing, that's food chains, food webs. Nope. Understanding how other scientists classify predator or prey. No, it's understanding of classifying organisms. C, good. Okay, methanogens, thermophiles, halophiles are some of the most primitive life forms found on Earth. They thrive in very harsh environments. Unicellular, prokaryote, harsh, archaeobacteria. We did that one. Euglena and cyanobacterium are photosynthetic. Photosynthetic, unicellular, found in pond water. The feature that distinguishes them. So guys, if they're photosynthetic and unicellular, ability to maintain homeostasis, distinguished means tells them apart. Ability to maintain homeostasis, they should both have this if they're a living organism, so they should both have this. Ability to reproduce,
No.
they should both have this. Presence of a nuclear membrane,
Yes.
they don't need to both have it. Presence of ribosomes, they both need this. So these three will be in both. They don't need to have a nuclear membrane, and I'm telling you right now, Euglena has a nucleus, bacteria does not. Okay, so it should be the presence or the absence of a nuclear membrane. Okay, which of these levels indicate the closest relationship? That's towards the bottom. Who's the closest to the bottom?
Genus.
Genus, good. Okay, genetic variation can aid in the survival of species when the environment changes. Which is the following best example of an organism with a genetic variation that could improve? So it has to be in a genetic variation that improved. An ant that is resistant to pesticide. Yes, it has some kind of mutation that makes it resistant. A wasp that is infected with parasites, is that improving it? Nope. A cactus that has no spines. Y'all, a spine is a defensive part of that organism. It keeps other things from eating it. Good. So that will not improve it. And a mouse that has learned to avoid mouse traps, guys, if it learned it, does that mean it's genetic?
No.
No. It has to be something that
Mutates.
yes.
Terminology doesn't mean anything.
That the answer choice is
It's
wrong.
divided.
No, just like, just in the case, like, if they have that kind of question.
Are you talking about the arthropods of the same species? That one?
No, the one, like, just above the last one.
The lineage taxonomy
Yeah.
thing.
If there was species in that one, would you go, or genus or species, cause like, it's supposed to be like the smallest one, or like, I don't know.
So the thing is they should never put species in there. They should, really should.
But if they do,
I would be so mad. Okay.
I messed up. I knew I was like, I was looking at it, I was like, I don't think it's that, but like, it's the
I
smallest
know,
one.
I know. Genus should be the last one because species is supposed to be just like a description.
Yeah, genus is just, species is just one
Okay, so
organism.
if they
Genus
have
is
species
two.
on there, still pick genus?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, blah, blah, blah. Which of these best describes the order? Okay, so,
We have this on one of our chests.
yes, and so the deal is, no matter if it's this way or this way, it has to go from ascending to descending. So for example, medium, small, big, that is not a correct order. Small, medium, large, this could be it. Medium, large, small,
You need me to move?
yeah.
No, you're good, James.
So guys, just by even saying, because you know it either has to be a triangle this way or triangle this way, and this makes sense. Because guys, there's 28 families, kind of like there's only 6 kingdoms, but there's so many species in each kingdom, okay? So this is the right answer. Okay, oh, this is a super easy one, because look at, plants are in this kingdom, fungi and animals are in this kingdom. Plants are not mobile. Oops, sorry. Plants are photosynthetic. So this is wrong. Plants are autotroph. Would that fit? Autotroph and heterotroph? Yes. No nucleus, nope. So I like that question because I feel like it was a really fair question. Okay, this is another one. Who is more related? What'd y'all pick? I'm sorry, who is the furthest, I think. The diagram above shows the model of species divergence among the primates. If this model is correct, the greatest genetic differences. So most people are going to go see which ones are the most similar, but which ones were the most different. What'd y'all pick? Pan, troglodytes, and the lemur kata. Going all the way up here, where's the lemur? Oh yeah, and then it comes back down this way. That is definitely most different. A lot of these are just together here. That one, and that was, you have to read the whole question, figure out if they're asking for the similar or the different. Almost done, guys? Oh, we are all done. Okay, good.
See, we did get finished.
We did get finished.